how to delete a wallpaper on your iPhone. So for that, you have to follow this setting and watch the video till the end. So first step is that you have to open up your setting on your iPhone. Once you are here, you have to scroll down and go for your wallpaper option. So once you are on your wallpaper option, so you will see your current wallpaper displayed and you have to tap to choose a new one. So if you want to delete the wallpaper and you don't want to set a new one, you can simply choose to the default option. Here you can see that. So this is the default option, just go for that and just tap on the done option. So once you have selected a new wallpaper, it replaces the current one, essentially deleting. So the previous wallpaper, if you are looking for the completely remove the wallpaper, you will need to choose a plain wallpaper from the default option. You can see that here. So you have to choose that option. So if you want to change this wallpaper to this, you have to just go for set as current and here you can find that. So that's it. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.